What's up, guys? What's poppin'? Alright, so we at the house. Alright, we about to go fishing again. You know, try to catch a fish. There's AshMan. What's up? Alright, guys, so we walking to the creek. Should I catch the tackle box?
What's up, guys? We are back with another video.
Yeah, I should hear the tackle box.
So we are going to the creek. See, I got my fishing rod. So there's Hayden. There's Hayden. And we are ranking our fishing rods. And free. I don't know why I said that. Oh, my phone was slipped out of my hand. But we're good. Okay.
So what y'all guys been up to?
So we've been. Oh, I'm pretty good.
Alright, AshMan had technical difficulties. His phone cut off.
We are going. Oh my freak. I'm not in the mood today. I'm not in the mood. So what's up, guys? We are going to the creek today. And there's Hayden.
There's AshMan. What's up, guys?
And so we got a tackle box, fish poles, and everything.
Thinking about making some merch.
Huh?
So I'm thinking about making some like HD fishing like on the front of it. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
My mom can make some merch like this.
Yes, you could for me and you.
You know, like hoodies and everything.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. But we have to pay her back though a little.
But I'll pay her.
Shoot. Making that money.
So yeah. We are going to the creek. So we gotta walk down the creek.
Guys, you already know. Gotta lock them 4-wheel drive just in case things get a little rough.
I might run fast because I got these Adidas.
Alright guys, so listen here. Yesterday when that white man came, listen here. He started following us.
There is no fish. The fish is gone.
Like I straight up dropped my shit. I was like straight up threw it into the grass. Guys, y'all did not hear that. I straight up threw it.
Language.
I'm sorry, dang. I straight up threw it into
Yeah.
I threw it into that grass right there.
He threw his stuff.
And then I ran into the woods right through there. Cause I was scared, dude.
We are going to the creek.
And then he just kind of like slowed down and just like came by and kind of like started looking for us or something like that. Yeah.
So,
Body once told me to pull.
what's up, guys? We are going to the creek. Here we were with Hayden.
Oh.
We are going to the creek.
Oh, guys, we're almost there.
We're almost there. The creek is down there. All the way down there. We're almost there.
These pop sockets do so good. Holding the camera
We're using pop socket.
on our phones.
It's not
GoPro.
GoPro. It's not a GoPro. I know it looks like a GoPro,
Probably not.
but it's probably not. But for Christmas, we're gonna get GoPros for a chest right here, and so we can just walk around everywhere.
Anyone else want to see me run up that wall? Yeah. Whatever.
Okay, I'm about to hold 2 cameras.
Wait, just have mine like that. Whoo! I'm gonna drop this phone.
Here we go. Hayden's gonna run up that wall. He's gonna run up that wall. Oh my gosh. I got like so many thorns in my Oh my god. Dang, Hayden. I got so many thorns. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Oh, those are all thorns. Golly, look at that. Oh. Let's check on the back. Oh, your whole thing ripped.
What?
Your shirt.
I know. I see that.
Golly. Hey, you get me like that. Okay, here you go.
Alright, guys. What's up?
I know y'all saw that.
It's kind of uncomfortable with all these stickers or thorns, whatever.
There's a bunch like right there, you know.
Yeah. Where the Winkies are. Where the cheese balls and the Winky are. Ow. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna stay uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. I know I'm saying uncomfortable. Uncomfortable.
That wall, like what Hayden went. Y'all guys are doing 1,000.
Wait, at least like 100 likes.
Okay, 100.
Cause 1,000's too much.
100 likes and subscribers too. I will run up that wall.
If y'all give AshMan 100 likes and 10 subscribers, wait, no,
100.
yeah, 100 subscribers or like 20 subscribers, something like that. More than what he already has. Has to be more than
Well, and Hayden.
has to be more than 15 subscribers. Yeah. But honestly, I do anything.
Because Hayden has only 4, so give him the 100 too.
Besides jumping off a bridge, but
See. Yeah, hold up. I got you.
oh yeah, guys, I know y'all miss it. Bang. What's that, guys? All right. So we're walking back there. Well, I see ATV trail. Hey Ashton, if they ask if someone comes after us, I'm like I didn't even know.
I know. I know it looks sketchy. It looks crazy. But we're just rednecks.
Not honestly not.
We're not rednecks, but we're
Country, like yeah, country.
How about this? We are retards. Wait, we're going all the way back here?
No, right there to like that little spot. Gosh, almighty.
Passing the pond.
Yeah, I know. We're going right there. To that little cliff. Oh my God, I had to point at that.
Golly,
I know it's deep.
grass.
What the heck? Oh, that's a turtle.
That is might be.
That's asphalt.
Yes, that's
Oh, that's pretty cool, guys.
That's cool. That'd be good for play side.
Yeah, for deer hunting. I got a feeling I'm about to get shot.
I do too.
Like, someone going, look, this is what I was talking about.
Oh.
Back here, because usually has to crawl all through that water and stuff. Someone's excited.
Now there's no water no more.
Yeah, there is.
Where?
I don't know.
There used to be water everywhere.
I know, but look right there. It keeps on going.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Someone down there?
No. That's a something.
Whoa.
I scared a squirrel about to give me a
What
heart
is
attack.
that?
Tire?
Oh, yeah. So we're going to have to get down somehow. And back
Okay,
up.
this doesn't seem that bad. I mean, we did worse things before, like at our old creek.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look right there. Look right there at the back.
Oh, that's a good place.
I might actually walk back. Like right here, just like walk over there and throw it out there.
There might be some bass over there.
All right, guys. Well, send that. Bruh,
I don't know what that is.
that's ants.
Oh.
Well, we ain't going down right there. Oh, that's an even better, easier way.
Get your sauce.
Go.
You want to sit over here?
Yeah. Watch out, I go.
No, okay.
All right.
Hold on.
Here, I'll hold your phone in your camera.
You're going to be my cameraman right now.
Yeah. Here you go. Here's your pole.
I'm going to get all wet.
Oh, dude. Good thing I brought Crocs.
That's okay.
Do we need to go back to the house and get some Crocs?
No, I'm good. I can jump.
Wait, here, let me hold your camera. Let me hold your phone.
This should be good.
Yeah. All right, guys. Here, can you catch? All right, good. Wait, hold on. I got it. Don't worry. Don't worry. I said I got it. Dude, I wouldn't mind doing this.
Yeah, I'm from.
Here. Oh,
Some cold
I
water.
about died.
Some
Wait,
cold
here. Can you get my pole?
Yeah. And dang it. Give me a tackle box.
Here, wait, here. Okay, yeah, take
No,
the tackle.
I get the
Take,
phone. I get the phone.
take the tackle box.
Okay.
It's my fault if I drop the phone. Go, 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 go. Rob, Stone. Oh, my balls. They're
That was
cold.
cold.
They're freezing. My poor little babies.
You know, we do crazy stuff.
For crazy things like YouTube. This is what we came here for. Well, not really, but it looks really cool. This looks like perfect bass spot right here.
Oh, that's a good bass spot.
I don't see like any action or anything, guys. I'm just gonna stay right there.
Oh, dang, it's a good place. And of course, first cast I throw, I get home. Yep. It should be good.
Dude, I'm about to walk out there and get it.
Hold up. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Hold up. Oh, I know how to do this. This should be good.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, God. Hold up. I know. We're not fussing comments, but, oh, sorry. But, you know. Y'all just gonna have to watch, like, right, like this. You're just gonna have to roll with it. So, for right now, I'm just saying, I'm not trying to like, whew, I'm getting a bit. Ooh. Hey. So, I am using, well, dang. Go ahead and just take the whole dang thing out. Well, dang.
Oh.
I'm about to get a new bait. Because. Oh, yeah. Hold up. I'm sorry, guys. Yep, I'm at to re-rig everything because that thing's not in the hole. And that other thing is not in the hole either. So, yeah.
Wait, you can still use the minnow.
No, it's all apart now. It's broken. I mean, it's broken. Everything's apart. So, I'm going to use something. I'm going to use a worm.
There's nothing in that's gonna keep that big old worm.
I don't care. I'm just going to use it. You know, I'm stupid. There's probably no freaking fish in here.
Hey, y'all are wrong.
Oh.
There we go. Hey, should we just get much?
What thing?
Yeah, I'm just seeing a fish back here.
Oh.
Donkey trout.
There's. I'm getting bit off. Oh, my back. My back. Oh, godly, holy Jarvis. Oh, my God. This should be a good spot for y'all. We will see if there's any fish here. Okay? I'm sorry.
Whoa.
What?
That's a big one.
What?
Oh, that one is just a wave. It's not a big old fish.
I'm about to say, I'm about to get that worm on.
Alright, are we moving?
I mean, like, I want a worm on first.
We'll put the old worm on first.
Stop messing around with the dang stick.
We ain't spear fishing.
Golly. God. Oh, my legs. Freaking getting bit by something. Are you?
Go into the water. I thought I went into the water. I ain't getting bit no more.
Well, I have run into the water.
the next spot.
Okay, you have to help me.
Well, dang. Let's just sit on heading to the thing.
Oh. See, the whole thing came off.
Oh.
Hey, y'all homies.
They can't be facing that way. That's supposed to be facing you. There you go.
There's Hayden. Hey, that's me. There's Hayden. What?
So that broke.
Yeah. I might use a bass jig. I'm dumb, Hayden. I'm dumb.
Gosh almighty, bro.
I'm gonna use this. I know creeks. You never know what's gonna be in creeks.
That is kind of true.
You never know. There might be a 10 feet bass in here. I mean a 2-pounder bass. You never know.
A 10-foot bass.
I
That
mean,
thing be bigger than this whole entire creek.
so I'm using this.
I'm sorry, guys. I shouldn't put y'all like that.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Here, I'm using a worm. Golly, I'm sleepy.
Me too.
So this is the worm.
Is there anything else that you could
be?
Oh wait, what about this? Hold on, where's it at? Where'd it go?
What?
The little spinner thing.
A spinner.
Yeah.
What spinner?
Serious. I don't know where I got that in my tackle box.
What spinner? Spinner.
Hey, look what else I got. I got another one.
Oh, cool.
You wanna use it?
I'm good. The jigs fish love to bite. Is that true?
I'm putting you a minnow on.
Why?
Because
This. Yes, good job, Hayden. You need a hook.
give me a bass. There's nothing gonna be able to bite this.
I don't care.
All right, look. You see this thing right here? You see this right here?
Yeah.
You just do like this, and you get a hook like this.
What are you getting? What is on there? There ain't nothing gonna bite that.
And just do it like that.
Screw it, they might.
Just like stick it in there, just like that. There.
My brother's kind of dumb.
You don't want to use a dang big old 6-inch worm.
I know I'm stupid. Sorry about that. What is? I'm gonna show you my monkey skills.
Here, Juju. This should be fun.
Let's get it. Let's bring it.
You hit me.
Oh, God. Okay.
Are you done with ninjutsu?
Huh?
So you done, little ninja?
What? Oh shoot! Oh.
If you fall, I'm laughing.
The thing broke.
Oh, that's funny.
This thing broke up there. This thing I was holding on broke. Oh, it broke again. Golly.
Rob Stone, too many phones. Rebel ones can't even see.
Oh! Spirit fishing, boys. I got him. I got a fish. Hey, like, got the fish right here.
Hey, Ashton. Got you, bro. Look at
What is
that.
this? Give me it. Bro.
What? You want to wait on there?
Yeah. That's good. Good. So, Gone, you put that thing. hate these freaking jigs.
This ain't a jig. It's just a jig thing with the hook in it.
Wow. That thing broke. I didn't even know. I was like, uh-oh.
Okay, try it now. Use it.
Okay. Dang. Oh, dang it. Oh, that's good.
Here, you want this one on there then?
Okay, I'm good.
Here, throw it all the way across the United States.
I swear. I don't know if y'all caught that, guys.
Guys, I'm so sorry about that. I know y'all caught it. Bruh. But yeah, we're moving on to the next spot, guys.
Hey,
Let's get it.
hey,
What?
the thing is like all weird.
What mean? I know I did it like that.
Why?
Because I couldn't get it. I just did something. Maybe I catch you a fish.
Maybe.
Hopefully. Let's do this. I walk in water. Dude, I found another spot we can go up on. Dude, this is like quicksand.
Because it is.
Dude, Ashton.
What? What?
Oh, I found like a little deep water right there.
Where you going?
Where am I going with it?
Mhm.
Up this hill.
Why?
Well, actually, are you gonna walk back there?
Hold on.
Well, it's like kind of cut off a little, but whatever. I don't care. I just want to come in this snaky part right here.
Huh?
So I just didn't want to go right there.
Oh.
Wait, hold on, hold on, hold on. I want to throw it out there and see if I get any hits.
What, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, it jumps over here. Guys, I don't know.
I don't know any more boys. I just don't know.
You know what?
Oh.
What?
I hit.
Really good. Hey.
Wait. Oh. Let's move on to the next spot. This spot ain't that good. What the heck is on, y'all? Hi, guys.
What?
What do you mean we're going to go? We're going to go back to the house?
No.
Oh.
Well, I just had a hit. I just had a big old hit.
You sure? Because I got one. Oh, it's a stick over here. No wonder. No wonder I've been getting hung up. Guys, there's so much junk out here.
You forgot the freaking big thing.
Where are you going?
Sorry, guys. Hey, you just flipped all over.
Hey, you flipped my phone over. Had to get payback, you know.
Look at him. He got hooked up. What's another thing? Oh, I might have to put that in here.
I don't know, it looks pretty cool.
We thought we were getting hit, but guess what? It was a freaking stick the whole time.
Yeah.
A stick.
Yeah. Oh, this looks pretty cool right there.
Whoa.